Okay, we're out running around the and we ended up here in Mabini. Mabini in Pangasinan, Philippines. So I figure we'll just kind of. What's up? So I figure we'll just kind of take a quick walk around the area and see what's going on. We never come down here, but we're in the mood for a little bit of adventure. So I do believe this is the market. Never. All right, let's take a walk down here. I'm not sure where we're going. It's nothing. It's not a major. It's not a major city here or anything, so it'll only probably take us a few minutes to kind of look around and see what's here. Well, that's coming into Mabini from the north, right there. Yeah, I've been in that 7-Eleven last year, I believe. Yeah, so we just came in from the north. Alaminos is that direction. This is where we're currently on Olongapo Highway, Highway 306. And this one will take you down to Olongapo. Let's get across this road here. This will take you down to Olongapo City eventually once you get a few hours down that way. Yeah, of course you got to pass through what? Iba, Zambales, and Subic and all that stuff. Anyway, she's talking to the authorities. I don't know, they're probably harassing her about something. They always find something. Is he giving you the third degree? Giving you the hassle? Did you tell them we're here to spend money and support the local economy?
I said I'm his wife, and he's blogging about his stay here in Philippines, life here in Philippines, his life here.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, just leave us alone, dude. We're not doing anything wrong. Go have a power trip somewhere else. Anyways, so yeah, getting back to what we were talking about here. This is Mabini, and I tell you what, in about 30 more seconds, 30 seconds more, we'll probably be at the end of town. That's how small it is here. Or at the end of the strip. So, yeah, just a quick peek, and I came down here for the nice scenic ride. Actually, I would say about the last. Huh?
Next town will be Burgos.
Will be what?
Burgos.
Burgos.
Yeah, down there.
Okay, so Burgos would be the next town.
And then after Burgos, Dasol.
Dasol. Okay. Well, we made it to Mabini this time. Next time, maybe we'll make it down to Burgos and Dasol. I don't want to be gone too long.
Dasol, and then Infanta. And
okay.
Then next is Zambales.
So yeah, not a whole lot going on down here, but you know, it's a nice sleepy little town. I'm sure Alaminos looked like this at one time. I'm sure the major attraction here is the market. Although, yeah, I don't know where I was just going with although, but anyways, that's a nice little sleepy town. Not much here, but it's a nice place to stop by as you're traveling. Get off your bike and stretch out a little bit. So, at any rate, oh, wow, we really got blocked in here, didn't we? Let's see if I can get over here. Anyways, there's our scooter, and we're going to hop on and ride back up north to Alaminos City. Thanks a lot for joining us, guys, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.